Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and her team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Carmarayake. Millbugger, number 4, Sergeant Yari Yongko Kimson. Opposite hitter, number 5, Airwoman First Class, Wendy Talib. Setter, number 6, Yen Olores. Millbugger, number 7, Petty Officer, 3rd Class, Letma Bayan. Outside hitter, number 9, First Lieutenant, Kili Joy Betino. Starting libero at number 10, Rachel Andigia. Head coach of the Lady Gunners, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. Calling on the starters of the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our opposite hitter, number 1, Chanda Manlapid. Outside hitter, number 4, Javen Zabas. Millbugger, number 6, Shaila Dan. Outside hitter, number 8, Dan Generali. Setter and her team captain at number 9, Jane Yumang. Millbugger, number 10, Sandy De Los Santos. Starting libero at number 2, Joanna Lopez. Head coach of the Suffragettes, Alan Yumang.
Na naman pumasok sa Comelec today. Oh. Dami na naman nili.
Oo, dami na lang supporters today.
It's a weekday, ha? Alam ko bukas sa Laguna, holiday kasi birthday ni Jose Rizal. Ito muna ang lineups natin.
Right, this is, of course, a familiar starting lineup para dito sa AFP. Yongko, Mabayad, Hake, Betino, Talib, Olores, and of course, their libero de Guia. Samantalang for Comelec, so only change probably here is Sandra De Los Santos is starting. So usually kasi diba in most of their games, she comes off the bench.
Yep.
But everybody else on the floor is the usual starting lineup para dito sa Comelec.
Hasn't been the usual dominating season by the AFP.
Yeah.
Parang feeling ko nakulangan sila ng isa o dalawang player. But they were not, feeling ko teamwork-wise, chemistry-wise, they were not as together compared perhaps to the BFP and the PNP.
That's true, you know. So parang usually some of the errors that they have during the game, iba results from miscommunication or yung parang wala sa tamang pwesto.
Parang naghuhulaan kung sinong kukuha ng bola. Si Yongko walang hula-hula. Excuse me, De Los Santos. Hard at work. Sabi ni Yari, doon muna tayo sa malayo. Ito, setup para kay Sabas. Hello. Si Jan Crowley sa likod nag-umpisa. From the pipe. Betino. Yumang. Hello. First point.
So, syempre, pag Yari Yongko is at the front line, one of the things na talagang kailangan iwasan yan, yung mga ganyan, yung mga talagang mga bola na malapit sa net. Because she has the height.
She's been doing that all her life. Olores will get the serve of the AFP underway. Sabas shoots and it's too long. 2-0 AFP. Yan ba, Ivy, sa umpisa ng game, pag pumapalo ka, sinusukat mo? Tatanong kita. Pagka sineset na gano'n, sinusukat mo hanggang gano'ng kalayo ang palo mo?
Yeah, but I think that's really the purpose also why you have your warm-up eh. You know, your 5-minute warm-up prior to the game. So for you to get the feel of the court. Kasi minsan, while the size of the court is the same, you know, sometimes because of the venue, naging iba yung feel mo dun sa court eh.
Iba yung look.
Yeah.
Vibe.
Oh, kasi minsan pag sobrang luwag nung end line, it looks very big, di ba?
Or kung maraming tao.
Maraming tao, correct.
Distracting. In the meantime, Yongko gets her second point. AFP pulling away 4-0.
Good start here for AFP. And syempre, if you're AFP, you would really want to start out strong. And if you would win this game, you would also want to win that in 3 sets.
Yep. At least may vindication sila na, well, we didn't get the championship this time, but at least we finished on the podium.
Yeah.
Ngayon, itong Comelec naman, wait, they have a timeout. We'll listen and I'll ask you something about Comelec. Maganda itong sasabihin ng coach niya, palagay ko.
Walang pata. Pakinig kayo ha, sa boxing, hindi na nanalo yung sumasanggala. Kailangan sumuntok tayo. Okay? O, sige, just tayo.
Sabi siya, maganda sasabihin yan eh. Di ba? Tama naman yan eh. Kailangan matake ka rin.
Oo. Yeah. I mean, it's good to be a strong defensive team. But then again, of course, kailangan meron kang mga, kumbaga surprise punches eh.
May tapon ka rin.
Oo.
Pero ito, basa mo sa takbo ng laro ng Comelec, parang feeling ko nung crunch time, they had a great preliminary, pero parang nagdating doon sa quarterfinals, medyo talo sila sa stamina at saka sa teamwork ng BFP at ng PNP.
That's right. So, I think, you know, probably Comelec peak early.
Yeah, that's fun. Oh.
And the other teams, like probably yun yung BFP, PNP, they had quite a slow start. But as the tournament progressed, mas nakikita mo the fluidity of the movements, mas gumaganda.
Yung PNP began enjoying themselves. Kahit saan itapon ni Bangkolang bola, at umaatake. Anyway, we'll see them all later in the second game. Meantime, we are at 2-5. That's a great message from the coach of Comelec. You really have to do something to score. Pero first, medyo problematic ang kanilang reception and passing, which they'll hope to correct here. Olores dances at the net. Yonko chewed up by the D. Pataas. Papalo si Sabas. Well done by Mabayad. Silet, hindi na kailangan tumalon eh, no?
Yeah,
tatayo lang.
The height eh.
Tatayo lang siya. Pinalo. Major Hake. Hala, sige. Gutom na ako. Tagal nyo. Matagal to. Tingnan mo.
Long rally.
Sabas got it to bite off Yonko's block.
Well, you know, we all know that for Comelec, isa sa strengths din kasi talaga nila yung kanilang depensa. You know, they're a very defensive team, so talagang expect a lot of long rallies.
May mga hindi pumasok sa opisina rito sa likod ko. Pero sila yung pinakamalalakas sa sigaw.
Kaya ako hindi nagpaalam, halatang-halata ko na sa...
kaya pag gumaganon yung camera, lahat umiiwas eh. Oh. Lahat nagtatago eh. Pero yan mo, masaya sila, di ba?
And this is an important game for Comelec, you know. Like we mentioned earlier, parang championship ito.
Yes, exactly. Tsaka alam mo, ang Comelec, ang opisina, ang lapit lang eh. Andiyan lang sila sa Intramuros eh.
And baka lunch break pa naman kasi. Late lunch, so pwede pa, di ba? Lunch break pa eh.
7-3.
So pwede pang sumaglit.
Oo. Teka muna, balik na tayo. Hindi pa tapos yung second set. Diba? Ganun ang takbo eh. Uy! Ano tawag? Service ace. At ang AFP ay umabot na sa 8. Pinanood oh. Parang nag-slow mo. Tingnan nyo ah. Slow mo na yan. Tingnan mo silang lahat. Frozen.
Yun ang challenge talaga, no? Pagka line ang bagsak.
Oo. Dalawang alas. Rina.
Yes, not the best so far for the AFP and Lady Gunners for this season. Not only that they struggled against the PNP and the BFP na hindi nila matalo-talo for this year, but this season, halos lahat ng games nila nagtatagal hanggang 4th and 5th set na hindi daw sila sanay because in seasons 1 and 2, halos lahat ng games naman nila natatapos nila in just 3 straight sets. Sabi nga ni Iya Yonko, this year has not been a walk in the park para sa kanilang koponan. At sabi niya, parang sundalo lang din daw silang lumalaban dito sa taong ito. Yung parang patay ka na pero pumipilit ka pa rin bumaril sa bawat laban nyo. And for me, Maduli, na nakausap ko rin kanina, may part sa kanya na nanghihinayang din siya because on the latter part of the games of the AFP, she was not able to practice anymore for the team. Hindi na siya masyadong nakakatulong dahil bumalik nga siya dun sa kanyang schooling. No? Siya ay isang helicopter technician at yung kanyang schooling tatagal hanggang August para daw may chance siyang ma-promote dun sa kanyang trabaho as a sergeant. For these two import players, they're hoping na sila pa rin yung maglalaro for a season of 4 of the games because as far as we know, itong si Coach Miriam Go, sabi niya nga sa akin kanina, baka mag-reshuffle sila ng mga players nila in the 4th season para yung ibang Team B nila for the AFP players, AFP team will be able to see action here in the UVL games. 7 IB.
Helicopter technician.
Pabiga.
Marami, hindi lahat ng helicopter ng AFP bago. Ha? Alam ko siguro yung Huey, magandang helicopter rin, nakasakay na ako niya. Wala na yun, na-retire na. Pero wow, a woman doing that. Maganda takbo niyan, malinis.
Correct. Yung ano no, hindi gulong ang pinapatak. Kaltan mong LEC.
Sergeant Madulit, pakiayos nga ng LEC. Yung malaking electric fan nasa tuktok ng helicopter. Wow.
Yeah, but I guess, you know, it's true, no? It really has been tough for AFP.
Actually, ano ha?
Yeah, and it could have been really like a battlefield for them.
That's a what? Ganda yung metaphor na yun, ha?
Pero nakakatakot yung patay ka na bumabaril ka pa. Nabubuhay.
Sila lang may kaya nun. Ito, 11-6 ang ating bilang. AFP with a relatively comfortable lead here in the first set. We have Kiara Hake, who is captain of this team and now playing in her 3rd season. Oh!
Service ace!
Nakaka-4 na natang ace yan ngayon.
It's actually the 5th service ace, yeah.
Sila pala kulang ko. Kasi kanina dalawa si Madulit ba yun?
That's actually one for, 1 ace for Hake, 2 for... Actually, it's yan, I think. Yes, yeah. And then 3 kay Yari.
Wow, yun nga. So in the meantime, atake ng Comelec na itaas pero mishandled. Hindi na iporma ng maayos ni Talib.
Yun yung mga naging nakikita natin na unusual dito for AFP. We don't see that a lot, you know, in their previous seasons. Yan yung mga ganyan. Because alanganin, hindi na iangat ni Talib ng maayos.
At merong times, hindi dumarating ang bola kay Olores.
Yeah.
Tapos naguhulaan sila. Ayan, mga ganyang sequences. Hinoto! Agalit yung ali, oh.
Actually, that's one of the things also I've mentioned yung mga previous games ng AFP, no, na they're not able to consistently have opportunities for maybe good sets or combination plays kasi laging kapos kay Olores ang kanilang first ball. And like BFP na talagang nakikita mo may mga running, may quick plays.
At saka yung PNP.
PNP, yeah.
Nagkokombinasyon na no? Because bumalik nga si Porio. In the meantime, the drop, neatly done. Well done by Indrali.
AFP so manages to maintain the lead here. And this is what they need to do for the side of AFP. No? They cannot let go of this lead because once Comelec has that taste na parang ito, malapit na kami, baka mahirapan tong AFP.
Big shot, but the defensive line unable to hang on to it. Manlapit ends up flat on the floor. 14-8 count here in the first. We'll have Let Mabayad serve for all of us. Pinsan ni Edjet Mabayad, one of our coaches. Pinas. Oh, Yonko finds an open area and drills it in, gives the AFP a 7-point lead.
For AFP, they just need to keep on targeting those corners.
Yeah.
Because the defense of Comelec does not cover those areas.
Danica. The shot too long. And that'll make it 16-8 as the AFP knocks on the door, getting closer to the finish line. Here's Mabayad. Yumang. Generally, that left-handed stab. Good job by De Gia to keep it in play. Free ball, give it up. Betinho. Yumang. Dito tayo. Ililipat-lipat pala nila si Generali. Up.
Oh, a violation.
Double contact.
Yeah.
Pagka pumito ang referee sa gitna ng pasahan, madalas double contact or catch and throw. Hindi na rotation yun sa serve yun. In the meantime, Olores sets up. Oh, nicely blocked by Sandra De Los Santos. toss ni Yonko. That could have bounced in. Safety lang. Sabas sends it to Yandrali. Oh, Olores dabbing it last. Kung makasigaw itong isa sa likod, oh. Ibang klase.
Oh, that's the support that Comelec has, no? Talagang all out.
Hindi sigaw yan, tili yan. Outside ang kanyang serve. AFP now with a 7-point lead. Here comes Bitinho. She will serve. De Los Santos. One place to go to. It's Danica Gendrali.
With a little help from the net.
Danica has 3 points. Boy, they need all kinds of points here to catch up down by 6. They have the serve. Danica will serve. Olores sets. Runner rejected. Oh, well done by Sabas and De Los Santos sealing that net.
Well, that was a good read with the attack of AFP. But they know that AFP will go to Yonko.
Lance, ang galaw dyan, sasabayan mo yung alam mong papalo eh. Kaya pag nandiyan ka sa floor, basa ka ng basa. Kung nasa front row ko, sino ba ang papalo?
That's
Sino
right.
bibigyan ito? Kung kombinasyon, itatago ba ng middle, yun talagang papalo. Ang hirap tong laron to, isip ka ng isip actually.
And everything, you know, when you pag nag-iisip ka, kailangan split second ang decision mo sa lahat eh.
At saka, that's why, nakita ko sa inyo yan, di ba? Kindat, nguso, kamay. Lahat ang pwedeng pang-communicate actually. 13-18 ang score. Yumang will serve. Hindi papatalo sa laro itong Comelec. Sa cheering lang, panalo na eh. Olores sets. Lakas, but inside. Misread by Manlapit. And that will maintain a 6-point lead for the AFP. Actually, kahit back row ko eh. Basa ka ng basa. Pag ihahataw ba ito? Cross ba ito?
Yeah.
Yan ang mahirap pagkalaban ng Philippines sa Vietnam. Hindi mo alam kung saan nagagaling yung mga baril nila, no? T4, Bapana.
All different directions eh.
Muy Beach, T3, down the left.
And yun pa, minsan may mga players yan na akala nakaharap dito pero kaya nilang i-redirect yung bola eh. So it's not really where they're facing.
Misleading nga. Akala mo nga cross pero yung kamay malikot, down
the line, yeah.
Like this one is perfectly done by Let Mabayan. A lot of people say si Bernadette Pons mahirap bantayan kasi sa indoor, ang likot daw ng kamay.
That's true. And yun yung isang advantage. Kaya siya isang very effective na beach volleyball player.
Kasi dalawa-dalawa lang eh.
Yeah.
No? Sa lalaki, si Jude Garcia.
Yes.
Galing, you know? Hindi tao yun si Jude Garcia. Lumilipad yun.
Android.
Android yun. Di pa uso AI na yun. Just a great player.
That's true. Kahit miss ball, no? Yung mga broken play. Parang perfect set pa rin ng dati pag pinalo niya eh.
In the meantime, these two teams working very hard here. Oh, yes, sir!
That was
Mabayan
a good kill by Mabayan.
woke up so well today, and she wants to win that third place trophy, no question. Reyes will come in together with Rasos for the Comelec lineup.
Very comfortable lead here for AFP. And of course, again, they would like to keep this momentum.
If they can make it done, then get it done in 3 sets, why not? This one perfectly done off the serve. Yumang sets this high. Oh, picked up downstairs by Talib. Shot. Good arms by De Los Santos. Here comes the attack. Sabas. Olores with some problems. The attack long by Bitinho. Missed it completely.
Opportunity here for Comelec.
Hindi pa tapos to, 21-15. Kailangan pass well, attack hard. There's Javen Sabas.
Service good.
Oh!
Okay.
Bihirang ma-unnerve si Mabayad off the dig, but she was not able to handle it. So the lead is down to 5.
Second service ace for Comelec.
Lakas. Sabas overshoots. And AFP is at 22. We have some replacements, reinforcements come in. Marie Fosque will see action. She'll be the setter. Bacardo will come in. And this is their usual two-woman substitution for the AFP. O nga, no, I can imagine, based sa report ni Rina, ang dami nakaabang na players ng
AFP, yeah. Malalim ang roster nitong AFP.
And even some former volleyball players are with the military.
Right.
Waiting in the wings.
They are actually. Meron na nag-message sa akin sana payagan na daw sila next season.
So minsan nga, nandito yata sila. Ging Balse, sila 2 or 3 of them. Ginugulo nila si Wendy Simana. Naiwan mag-coach si Wendy. Sabi ko, ang gulo-gulo nyo kaya hindi makakonsentrate si Wendy. Time out. Makinig.
Sige lang. Walang tayo ng momentum para sa second set, okay? Hindi man natin mahabol ng ma-overturn natin yung score at least makakuha tayo momentum para maganda tayo.
Let's go!
Sige lang.
Positive lang tayo, positive lang. Okay lang kayo.
Go tayo, go.
Go tayo, laban tayo. Let's go. Papa! Yes! Okay lang, okay.
Ang ating first set ay nasa 23-16. Lamang po ang ating former champion, ang two-time champion ng ating liga, ang AFP, Lady Gunner, Jen Rowley. Blocked. Mabayad just wants to go home early, blocking everything. But the back row is at work. Marie Fosque got it. Good shot, but handled well by Sabas. Elevated into the middle. Hala, second longest rally. Doesn't end nicely for the AFP. Mahirap ba yan from the 5 attack? Mahirap gawin.
Well, if you have the right timing at sa tamang pwesto ka, not necessarily, but
At paano ang set? Ang set bigay doon sa linya.
sa may linya, yeah. But, it depends kasi may ibang mga players, okay sa kanila yung kapos parang near the net. May iba naman, hirap sila pagka malapit sa net. So, and the height also, may iba gusto niyo medyo mababa, may ibang players naman gusto nila medyo mataas. But the more effective actually from the pipe is yung hindi masyadong mataas para hindi, parang it's a decoy, kumbaga, that they wouldn't know if it's somebody from the back who's hitting or from the front.
At saka parang hindi rin naman malutang yung pumapalo.
Yeah.
Malunod yung pumapalo. Kasi pag mintis, well, here we are at set point. AFP approaching, and that is mishandled. Comelec still wrapping at the door, 24-18. And that serve just sails out. First set drops its curtains. The AFP taking our first set 25-18. We will be back with your second set shortly. Para ma-settle na nila yung third place, nila na yung bronze medal and an opportunity to give so much more to their chosen champion.
Yeah, yun yung maganda ron talaga kasi kumbaga nanalo ka na, tapos nakatulong ka pa. But the presence itself actually of the team is a big thing here, eh, di ba? Kasi even if wala silang, they did not move into the semifinals, their chosen charity still gets something.
Yes, 5th to 8th place will receive 50,000 pesos. That's a lot. That can go a long, long way. In the meantime, Comelec scratches the board first as there was a passing error. Watch this. Gendrauli and De Gia jumping into it, messed it up. Comelec on the board, 1-0. Gendrauli will get us going for the start servings of the Comelec inside, and it's 2-0 Comelec.
Good start para dito sa Comelec. So this is the thing with AFP, no? They cannot relax just because
Correct.
it was it's actually pretty easy first set para sa kanila.
Olores prepares. This one is in. Haken knocking it down. First point of the Lady Gunner. Watch this. Olores is back on the floor. Lalim na kuha. And good eye by Pantino as she allowed it to fly out. Quick, ang bilis ng 2-point lead mawalan.
Yeah,
Madaling itayo, madali ring
mawala, correct.
Here comes Olores. That's serve.
Another good serve.
Down the line yun, ha. Sabas gets it off the block of Yari Yonko. Sabas has accounted for 7 points already. Yumang will serve. De Gia receives. Olores sets up Yonko. A bit of a miss-hit. Nangiti si Yari kasi alam niyang miss-hit. Pero sige, thank you.
Yeah, point is a point, no matter how you get it.
Oh. Here comes the serve. Jane Hacker continues with service duties. Gendrauli. Jane Yumang sets. The shot of De Los Santos handled well. Cut shot, Pacardo. Ariane gets her first point. AFP now in the lead after a slow start. Hake continues to serve. Good reception that time by Sabas. Sets herself up for the strike. No problem for the AFP. And Yonko. Did she hurt herself? Bigla siyang tumukod eh. Or miss-hit. Hindi siya happy doon sa palo eh.
But, you know, Gendrauli is having some problems with reception. Usually, she's one of the good defenders, floor defenders para sa Comelec. Pero may marang ilang puntos na rin na nagagawa ng AFP against her.
Yep. Noval is in for Gendrauli. Hake will continue to serve. Lady Gunner up by 2. Second set. Took the first set. That one is long. Lead is down to 1. De Los Santos will serve. Pantino, Olores. Oh, yes, sir. Yonko with a whiplash.
And those are the kinds of first balls that AFP should have more of. Kasi pag si Olores hindi na gumagalaw halos sa pwesto niya, ang ganda ng hatid niya sa kanyang mga attackers.
Talagang inabot lang yung bola. Inabot tuloy sa spiker. Manlapit shoots. It's handled well by De Gia. Olores sets up the shot. Pacardo. Too long. 5 against 6 here in the second set as we have Javen Sabas serving for all of us. De Gia kneels down for it. Pantino's shot on the cross is too long.
Back-to-back errors for the AFP.
And that's why we are tied in the second set at 6-all. We will continue with the serve of Javen Sabas. kept in play by Coutinho. Manlapit stretches for it. Yumang sets this one up. Oh, big shot, but in play. Nobal reaches for it. Yes! It is blocked at the net by Pantino.
Good read by Mayan Pantino.
Watch this. Sabay siya tumalon kay Nobal. Sakto. Kung minsan when you're a fraction of a second late to spike it, you won't get to it. Olores prepares. Oh! Excellent pickup that time by Sabas. Here comes the set. Late. Pantino had to make do. Hello, Nobal! Spots the open area. Smart move.
Abby Nobal, of course, not the tallest of attackers on the side of Comelec. But she does have the leap.
Hinuli niya sa baba.
Oo.
Pagbaba ng blockers at nung bola, dun yan pinitik eh. Olores reverses. Second. Oh, it's a catch and throw this time. Called against Olores. Second time, their setter has been called for some setting violations. Rina has a report.
Yes, Comelec still did well for this season, especially in the first and second round of games. Unfortunately, they just suffered in the latter part of the second round of games dahil sa kawalan na rin ni Pia Sarmiento. Was not able to see action anymore because of her back injury. Si Pia yung gumagawa ng dirty works for the team, trying to save the ball and dig up the ball para sa kanila. Nawalan daw sila ng paa. Pero without Pia, but you know, the team is still tough, a tough team rather. So tuloy-tuloy ang laban para sa kanilang kupunan. At for today's ball game, nagbaon nga sila ng maraming supporters ng Comelec to be able to boost the morale of the team dahil mas gusto nila na umangat pa sila dun sa third spot because last season they were able to finish at the fourth spot. And most of the fans here are coming from the executive director's office na pinayagan daw sila to have a break at work for at least 3 hours, no? Pero babalik din daw sila dun sa kanilang trabaho right after this game. In another story, nakausap ko rin si Abby Nobal kanina at sabi niya nga sa akin right after this league, magfo-focus na daw siya dun sa kanyang trabaho as a Coast Guard. Marami daw siyang naiwan na pending works dun sa kanyang admin works in the Coast Guard, no? Pero malaki din yung kanyang pasasalamat dun sa kanyang mga superiors in the Coast Guard because binigyan siya ng chance na makapaglaro with the Comelec here at talaga daw iba yung support na binibigay din sa kanya ng Coast Guard. Back you guys.
Palagay ko wala masyadong maraming protesta sa eleksyon. Kaya ang daming tao rito. Palagay ko may mga nanalo na, wala nang nagprotesta. Okay, Executive Director's Office pa. Tapos ito pa lang si Abby Nobal, Coast Guard.
Coast Guard, yes.
Yung mga naiwang, ano kaya naiwan yung mga lumulutang na mga isda sa kanyang karagatan. Okay, it's nice to have her here. In the meantime, Jane Yumang sets up De Los Santos. Alam mo, may materialis itong Comelec eh. They just got to be better prepared for the battles in this league. Napaka-sharp kasi ng BFP at ng PNP this year. Oh! Tagal na naman, oh.
Unfortunate gonna end in an error. But the AFP, no, again, they're struggling with the first ball. So it's really very hard for them, you know, to set up any attack.
Pag nagpalit sila ng first six, may konting loopholes na nangyayari. Olores, Pantino, sumubok, bumawi. The shot is kept in play. Nobal jumps into it, and it's a 3-point lead for the Comelec. Nice set by Jane Yumang here. Oh, in the clear si Nobal. Panatag ang karagatan. Kitang-kita. 12-9 ang tali natin. This serve to De Gia. We have a Jazz at the net. Olores keeps it in play. Yumang hoists it high. Nobal shoots. And that's long. Well, then, alam ko yung Navy, marami rin mahilig maglaro niya. Navy, Coast Guard,
Air Force,
yeah. Army, Marine.
Kaya nga, di ba, they have their own Olympics eh. Doon pa lang sa alimang yun,
wala na.
There's a lot of players already.
May tournament.
May tournament na sila doon. Yun yung That's why I remember nung time ko, ang option talaga ng mga athletes or mga varsity players graduating after college kasi wala pa ng mga pro leagues was really to enlist in the military.
To keep on playing.
Yeah.
Yung iba naman sinubukan maging military ng talaga. Like Wendy Simana, halimbawa.
Yeah. Ako almost na eh. Kasi gusto ko rin magtuloy maglaro eh. Oo.
Oh! Nuval!
Small but terrible here, Abby Nuval.
Alam mo, Ivy, kung ikaw magli-lead sa gera, iwanan kita, ikaw na lang. Tatago ako doon sa liga. Sige, Ivy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bahala ka na dyan. Hop! Oh! Huwag ka nang babalik. Sabi ni Javon Sabas. Hindi nagbibiro itong Comelec, oh. Ayan, simangot na naman ang EAFP sa huddle na to. Kita mo, ha? Naiwanan sila rito ng 3.
Huwag na natin palayuin. Huwag yung palayuin at mahirapan kayo umabot. Okay naman yung receive yan. Receive mo yung bola pag magpapagod na eh. Akin naman natin sila buhayin.
Coach Miriam Go looking for more distribution in the attacks. Pretty much, you know, the attacks of AFP becoming predictable. But ganyan nga din yung struggle kasi ni Yen na minsan nalilimit yung option niya kasi hindi rin maganda yung dating ng first ball sa kanya.
Okay. 3 lamang ng Comelec. Hindi na diinan yung regalo. Yan ay labas, pero punto pa rin yan. 4 points ang lamang ng Suffragettes.
The struggle continues here for AFP.
As you can see in the graphic, it's the bronze medal match. Winner here, 1 game series, in the series, 1 game affair. Winner here takes the bronze. Sabas blocked at the net by Yonko. Set up by Yumang. Sabas tries again. Pantino stretches. Olores sets it up. Good arms by Nuval. Here comes the shot. Sabas. Heto na naman tayo. Isa na namang mahabang posisyon. Nuval. Yumang said, relax lang. Hala? 200 pasahan. Ay, nanggigil si Yari. Check ball, oh. Check ball ang tawag.
First referee stands by his decision for a check ball. Dos Santos de los Santos was saying there was no touch. Well, hard to say, medyo mabilis yung bola.
Yung line judge kasi call niya may touch eh.
Well, that's a much-needed point here for AFP, at least to break the 3-point run of Comelec.
Tagal hindi score ng AFP. In the meantime, Jen Yumang gets this up. Pantino got to it. Hake. Sabas. Setup job. Sabas. Pantino. Steady arms. Hesitation. But they keep it in play. Reverse. De Los Santos drops a message. Return to sender. Pantino. Good effort by both sides. De Gia. Hello, ladies. Joust. Alam mo yung Josenet, balakasan lang ng braso yan eh.
Well, Yari, actually, wala siya sa tamang posisyon eh.
Parang
nakagilid siya eh. So, Sandro de los Santos really has more advantage kasi siya nakaharap.
Nakaharap doon sa bola. 2 kamay pa.
Yes.
Ito si Olores. Bawi si Yonko. Yonko rarely makes a mistake 2 in a row. Speed is down to 3 nonetheless. Ake will serve. Care, of course, is the captain of this crew. Good pickup by Nuval. Sabas. Hello. Si Nuval hindi malaki, no? Pero ang steady niyang pumalo.
And she also reads very well. Ang ganda ng naging coverage niya.
Samantala, winali sa block. Punto para sa Comelec. Lamang sila ng 4.
This is a good run by Comelec. You know, once they got the lead, they may able to maintain it.
That's true, huh? And now they just asked the second referee kung sino magsaserve, and just for clarification, which is something you can do.
Good serve.
Oh, solid, ano? Olores.
That was a good pass also from AFP. Good defense. Oh, excellent block by Yoko.
Sinabayan niya yung lipad. Sakto. No chance to make a second move eh. Si Sabas, masyadong natakpan na yung area. Hindi niya maihulog sa kaliwa o kanan. Madulid will come in and will replace Yonko.
Yonko gets a little breather.
Kanina pa lumilipad si Yonko as usual. 13 points na siya. May will try to get this into serve.
Serve is good.
Hala, Yomang sets up this. Sa net sila nahihirapan.
Pagka mga dikit sa net.
Oh, Sabas jumping into it. Missed it. And the AFP comes within 2. We have a timeout to be called by Comelec.
Bawasan nyo masyado tayo excited eh. Easy ball naman yun, dahan-dahan na natin. Pag easy ball lang kalaban, tinap spin lang, receive lang tayong dahan-dahan na. Even, basa lang, basa. May defense sa likod doon si Abby. Okay? Taas mo na yung open mo, ha? Tsaka yung single.
Pag di ka receive, dito ka lang kalahati ka lang, iba mo ka lang ang tag line. Kaya mo yung dito na defense. Kayong dalawa, sino yung defense na dito? Mag-usap kayo. Dalawa kayo pareho, nasa likod kanina.
Tinukukuha ng hulog, nasa likod kayo pareho.
Palit kami, magpapalit kami. Sofra!
2-point lead by the Comelec. They have led for the most part of this second set after losing the first set. We'll have May Madulid continue to serve. We have our slick portion being kept clean there. So the housekeeping is done. We're going to serve with Madulid. Nako, De Los Santos shanked it. Baba sa isa ang lamang ng Comelec. Nako, pag inabutan ng Comelec dito, hindi nila mapapatawad ang sarili nila rito.
Yeah, because that was
Being substantial.
yeah, that's true.
Nice, good read by Nubal. They saved that point. 2-point lead by the Suffragettes. Sabas. Madulid dig in the air. Betinho. De Los Santos. Noval tosses it over. Hindi naka-atake. Middle attack. Long. Uh-oh. They call a check.
And I think there was no contention on the side of Comelec.
Alam nila, no? Alam nila. 17-18. AFP is tapping at the door. Sabas. Yumang Noval. Setup job. Oh, short. Walang napuntahan si Pacardo doon.
She was under the ball,
Yes,
so it was difficult for her. Yun yung mahirap eh. Nasa ilalim pa na ng bola, mataas pa.
Pag nasa ilalim ka ng bola, you doubt ka.
Yeah.
Pag umaatake ka,
Kasi hindi mo kita kung saan madadalhin eh.
parang naipit ka. Oo, saan tayo pupunta rito? Eto, eksakto. Eksakto para kay Nubal. Uh-oh. Pacardo slamming into our boards. Comelec now by 3. Chandav manlapit in her serve. Olores sets this up. Good shot by Pantino. Hindi lang maitusok. Ganda ng timing niya. Tusok ang kulang eh. Got this time. And the lead is pruned down to 2.
Medyo mababa rin kasi yung kuha niya sa bola, no? So hindi niya talaga mapapalo ng tusok eh. Chance here for AFP. Last game, Pacardo scored several from the service line.
Oo nga. Ma-ace yung server niya. Noval. Alam mo, maganda kay Noval timing.
Yeah.
Hindi siya malaki, hindi siya matangkad, hindi siya mukhang malakas. Tempo eh.
And that was also a good option for her, no, to look for hands.
Mataas lang, itaas mo lang yung bola, may pupuntahan ka pag ikaw setas. But they waste the serve. Diba, you can imagine Noval telling her setter, taas mo lang. In the meantime, we'll have Yonko returning. Madulid will sit down. AFP serving behind by 2. Comelec faithful, trying to egg on their team. Good set, ha? Makitid lang. Ginawa ng paraan.
And there's the miscommunication that we've been talking about, which is quite unusual to see from AFP.
Oo nga, yan ang kanilang problema. Time out. Makinig tayo sa pulong ng AFP.
Basta kayo lang yan.
Well, nagkaintindihan sila kahit sabay-sabay silang nagsalitaan na malinaw ang paglalatag ng kanilang balak dito sa continuation.
Girls are like that, diba? Even if they speak at the same time, nagkakaintindihan kami.
Okay, now you remind me. Okay. Yung ability ng women to finish each other's sentences.
Yeah.
22 to 19. Timeout lang naman ang Lasal ang behave eh. Di ba? Ayaw ni Coach Ramil, may nagsasalita bang nagsasalita siya eh. Ala! Cargado! Yonko with a big heave. 22 to 20.
And of course, we'll expect AFP to go heavily to Yonko here while she's at the front line.
Ano dinig ko naman si Coach Roger. Teka, sandali. Ako coach dito. Dinig ko yun.
Ako, namimiss ko na yung mga quotable quotes ni Coach Roger, no? Pag yung kada timeout, yun yung may-look forward ko eh.
Si Coach Oji Mamo naman, nagkakaintindihan tayo. Hindi naman kayo magkagalit, ano? Mimiss ko yung mga quotable. Meantime, Hataw, Sabas! Tinaas! Ni Pantino, umikot siya. Dinin, another long exchange. Hello, Olores punches it back. Good catch by Noval. Here comes Sabas. Block by Yonko. Get in play. Hanggang bukas ito, Olores. Yonko! Yes!
Gets it off the block.
Nainis na si Yari. Tagal-tagal eh.
I really give credit to Comelec's first
naman.
ball at defense. Talagang
naman.
tinrabaho nila din talaga yun.
Okay, ta-time out sila. Susubukan nila i-freeze yung kabila.
Nagdidepensahan lang eh. Okay naman tayo, nakaka-atake tayo eh. Kaya lang tayo, pagka tayo naman, huwag tayong ayaw sa depensa. Okay? Pagbalikan na Abi, taas mo na ng konti. Para makapwesto siya na maganda, mabigay niya na magas. Backwick mo eh. Tapos yukan mo na mabilis. Okay? Sige lang, sige lang.
Bigay mo na 5. 5 dahil kunin mo na sa kamay. Daanin mo dun sa crosscourt sa down mo, ha? Go.
Huwag mong pagingin yan.
Ayan na. Ang mga nuances ng coaching, idaan mo sa kamay. Yung mga...
They did score several points off the block from AFP.
Yan yung mga iniiwan ng coaches pag tapos na yung timeout. Ayun mo, padaanin mo sa ganito. Si Olores, 1-point lead by the Comelec that has held on to the lead for a long stretch here. Sabas, big shot. Good recovery. Yonko heaves it back. Noval gets out of the way. Yumang. Maitataas.
Good defense from AFP.
Ay! Tabla tayo. Yonko refuses to buckle. Pag nasa gitna si Yonko, ang daming nangyayaring mabuti para sa AFP.
Look, again, she has the height and the variation also of her attacks.
Itong rotation na ito, pag nagsaserve si Olores, good para sa AFP.
Yes.
Ito eh. Ako, problemado. Hello! Sabas drops it in front of a defender.
And that's a struggle of AFP all season long. Yung mga bilang sumabit sa net.
Oh, no? Nag-freeze sila.
Yes.
No? Pagka sumasabit sa net, natutulala sila.
Pass is good. They go to Yonko.
Oh,
But I think there's a net violation error. Sandra De Los Santos is also acknowledging that.
Sabit si Sandra sa net. 23 all po tayo. Anybody's second set. Hake will serve. Hake taking her sweet time. Making sure this was...
It's a service ace!
Irony of ironies, but take nothing away from the AFP. They might just sneak in and steal this.
They scored 6 service aces in the first set, and now they have 4 already here in the second.
Ang dami, no? Ha?
Another good serve.
Solid, ha? Sandra. Chance to close. Why not? Why not? And look at this. From behind, the AFP takes a 2-set-to-love lead. And the Comelec says, ay, sayang. Back in a moment for the third.
We are now at the third set. One more set para dito sa AFP Lady Gunners, and they win the bronze. But with the way Comelec performed in the second set, you know, they can very well extend this to a fourth or maybe even a fifth. Of course, it also all depend on how well AFP holds on to the momentum that they have. The players are getting ready in the court. Of course, the referees just checking the rotation, the positions. So both teams would need to look into fielding in other players who have not played yet. So as we know, the rule is everybody on the lineup has to play. So we're seeing some new faces starting up here for AFP. Comelec is using the same starter as they did in the first set. And Drauli for the serve would pick up. Yonko denied. Returned by AFP.
Mga ito hindi naniniwala sa short ball. Hala, nakantsawan tuloy.
Yumang not able to get to that. So first blood drawn by AFP.
Swerte ng AFP doon sa set na yun.
Yeah.
Nakalusot sila.
Oh.
Yung breaks of the set, nakatulong sa kanila.
That's right.
Kung kailan yung kakapit kayo sa ilalim na kapit, nagawa nila.
And I think it was also good timing because they had Yonko at the front line towards the end.
Oh, laki ng hataw na yan. Sabas making up for some of the miscues of the previous set. We're tied at 1. Now, if you're Comelec, the hardest part di ba, sabihin, focus, kalimutan nyo na yun. Kung minsan hindi. Di ba, you're still thinking about it eh. Actually, hanggang mamayang gabi, pagtulog nila, whatever happens, may isip nila yan. Oh!
Kasi kanila na dapat yun eh, yung second set eh.
Ako, hirap ng ginawa ni Yongpo na yun, ha?
Tumawid sa linya, tumulay sa linya.
Oo. Di ba, nag-tightrope, tumulay talaga eh.
Parang dapat makasama sa training mo yung pagiging ballerina, no? Yung pagiging tigtitito ka.
Kaya sa women, magandang panoorin yun. Sa lalaki, sagwan. In the meantime, yung hataw ni Mabayan. No, but you know, you're kidding aside. Kailangan mo yun.
Oh.
The grace, yung timing and the gracefulness of a dancer sa larong ito. Ha? Yung approach, yung timing yan eh. Kasi once you commit in the air, it's all you eh.
That's true. Pass is good.
Aba. Ayun, nagawa ng paraan. Hindi masama naman itong atake ng Comelec. Sa dulo lang sila talaga natatalo eh.
And you know, Comelec really also scoring off the hands of the blockers of AFP. Makikita mo, they're really swiping it to the side.
Yep. The trick to beat the AFP is to frustrate them.
Yes.
Ay.
Oh, it's a service ace!
Ay, malibasan ni Let. Mabayad. Thought it was on the way out. Watch, ha?
Caught the
ayun,
line.
nasa linya.
Yeah. Siyempre, it happened right in front of the linesman.
Oh, isa pa!
Another
Same spot!
service ace!
Ito na naman ang Comelec.
3-point advantage for the Comelec.
Ay, service error. Ang dami ng service ace ng AFP. Ang Comelec, hindi masama. Kalahati yata ang nagawa nila.
Yeah, so AFP has 10 all in all since the first set. And then 5 naman sa side ng Comelec.
Comelec, though, has a 2-point lead. The serve. Labas.
So 1 point na lang ang kalamangan nitong Comelec.
And we have Shira Michelle Tangbawan. She must have been a beautiful baby, ano? To be called Shira.
Shira Michelle.
Tapos ang spelling na Shira, iba. Sa volleyball ako nakakita na lahat ng pangalan ng babae. But every year, every season, there's something new that you've never
Heard about before, no?
diba?
Yeah.
Either kombinasyon ng lolo at lola ang pangalan o talagang very ladylike na pangalan. Meron yan eh, may baby book yan eh. Kung girl ang baby mo, ito yun.
Yeah.
7-4. Tawan-sawa na ang mga nanay sa Jessica at mga
These are getting more creative.
Oo naman. Babayan. Well done by De Los Santos Chandrauli. Oh!
So that corner, that spot has been the weak spot of AFP.
Yes, it is. Rina, what do you have?
Yes, para dito sa dalawang kuponan nito for... Let's try it again. There you go with this report for the AFP and the Comelec. For the AFP team, you know, ang kulang sa kanila yung kanilang pag-uusap, especially in the first part of that second set. That's why communication was the main topic going into this third set. They needed to be more consistent on that department. Aside from that, kailangan din nilang dalhin yung pagiging veterano nila sa bawat laro nila. So better service, better receive, and better defense ang ini-expect sa kanila for this third set. Meanwhile, para naman sa kuponan ng Comelec, there's this eagerness for the team to push for a fifth set here. Kaya kailangan mas maging patient sila sa bawat bola dito. Some adjustments for the Comelec, they must be able to minimize their errors here. Being able to receive well here. At kailangan dumepensa rin sila ng maayos dito. At ang pinaka-importante para sa kanilang kupunan is the smart placing of the ball. Dahil halos lahat ng bola nila nababasa na dito ng kupunan ng AFP Lady Gunners. 7 IV.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Rina. In the meantime, Olores and company. This is another long rally.
Good up there by Yonko. Mabayad gets a try.
Si Mabayad at si Yonko, may pupuntahan ito, ang dalawan to. Sila yung nagtatapos ng mga punto eh.
Again, you know, the advantage that these two players have is the height.
Oo. Height, experience.
Pass is good.
Nagawa ng paraan ha. Set Olores, middle. When Let or Yari have the ball, there's a chance for the AFP to score. Ilang points na si Mabayad?
Well, Mabayad already has 9 points here.
Yeah.
So she's the second highest scorer para sa AFP following Yari Yonko with already 18 points. Lain mo yun.
Double, ano? Double the investment. Gendrali gets it to fall.
No coverage for AFP.
Layo ng libero si Estrellas. Actually, no, many teams, pag alam nila yung, let's say, lalo na magaling ang libero, ilalayo nila sila.
Yeah, iiwas mo talaga.
I remember si Kalei Mau hated it when Jack Jonella was on the other side. Jack would just keep the ball up. Kailangan, sabi ni Kalei, you have to hit it
Away from her.
Away from her.
Yeah.
10-7. They're really good liberos who can keep it very much in play. In the meantime, here comes the serve. Mabayad. Betinho. Akala ko may isa swerte yan eh. Nice pick up by Estrellas. Attack from the rear. Yobang. Gendrali gets a break. Not exactly the cleanest hit, but you take it if you're behind here.
And no coverage once again para dito sa AFP.
Oo nga. She's faithful to the Comelec. She's having a party, enjoying herself. And Mabayad just continues to score.
Started with a good pass for AFP. So Olores again was able to set it perfectly para dito kay Mabayad.
Who now has 10 points.
10 points, yes, that's right. Serve is good.
Solid, ha? Hello. Hala, namatay ang bola sa tubig. Napakadali ng point na yun para sa AFP. Tatlo ang lamang ng Comelec. Ito na naman. Mamamatay sa paglabas sa dagat ng Comelec pag malayo na sa shore. Kung kailan lamang, biglang manganganib. Let's see if they can change that. Gendrali. What a dig downstairs. Kept in play.
Gendrali once again. Off speed. Olores almost. Almost. But that's better ha, kesa yung walang attempt.
Parang alam ni Olores yung gustong gawin ni Gendrali.
Late lang siya ng a fraction of a second.
A piraso.
Konti lang.
Konti lang. 12-9 ang ating score. Serve in play. Estrellas. Set up. Yonko.
Was there a swipe? None according to the referees. Pero yun ang intention ni Yari eh.
Kikindat-kindat pa to sa referee. Sir, subok lang. Kayo naman. Nagpa-cute.
4-point advantage para sa Comelec.
She had the right thing in mind as of Mintiso. Allah. Gendrali with a bullet gives them a 5-point lead. Timeout. Hingin ng mga sundalo. Sabi ng Comelec, huwag muna kayong mag-celebrate AFP. Hindi pa kami tapos dito. Sayang naman ang punta ng mga ka-opisina namin. Ayaw nilang bumalik sa opisina kagad.
Sulitin yung 3 hours, no?
Sabi nga ni Rina, 3 hours.
Oo, sulitin. Oh, good save there.
Oo nga. Hala! Buhay pa eh! Olores. Yan, habang nagkakagulo, diinan mo. Pero hindi, sabi ng Comelec, kaya namin ayusin yan.
Pass is good.
Estrellas. Hello. Hello. A point is a point is a point, as you said. Hindi naman kailangan laging hataw, ano?
Good variation there by Yonko. So she is still at the front line. So pwede pang opportunity pa rin ito para sa AFP to maximize her.
You know, when you are at the net and you get a good jump, you can actually see the open space down there. Hala. Inside on that big shot by Danica Gendrali.
Nagising na itong si Danica Gendrali. She was very quiet in her first set.
In fact, she was brought out dun sa second set by Noval. In the meantime, Gendrali serves. Betinho accepting, Yonko firing and getting it to work. Lead is down to 4.
Flores now will be serving for AFP. So, this particular rotation in the
yan,
previous set,
Gusto nila
nagkaroon sila ng advantage dito eh.
Gusto nila yan. Maraming nangyayari pag si Olores yung nagsaserve. Mintis, 1 point. Down to 3. Tilabado at Tagabawad, hindi regular subs yan, but they're on the floor. They're getting some playing time.
Yeah.
Down the line. Big shot, Sabas.
Oh, close to the net, but Olores able to set it.
Lampas.
Point goes to Comelec, yes.
Alam mo, may advantage kasi si Mabayad pag back row siya. Dahil mahaba siya, marami siya naaabutang bola eh. Pag hindi inabutan ng libero, andun siya eh. Kaya pabor sa kanila yung swing na yan. Yumang, James, service in play. Oy! What happened? Ayan yung sinasabi mo. Ayan yung sinasabi mo.
We've seen that several times on AFP, no? So, and yun yung parang nakakagulat kasi we know that itong AFP, they, more or less, sila yung, sa lahat ng mga teams na to, ito yung mga mas magkakakilala eh.
Pag hinuhulugan sila ng PNP, at saka ng, yan na. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Eto, babalik si Talib. Lalabas si Labado. Ito yung season na they end up looking at each other. Akala ko ikaw. Ako ba? Talaga ba? Ganun, patay. Nawala na yung bola. Jane Yumang. Tangdiin. Alam mo, wala ako doon pero feeling ko pag binlock ko si Yonko, masakit.
May vibration.
Kahit wala ako doon, nararamdaman. Kasi may mga block, you play that, nararamdaman mo pa eh.
Yes.
Tuwan-tuwa ka na block mo, pero o iikot ka para ano. Sino yung may ilaw na yon? Bakit? May brownout ba? Okay. Tinaas. Regalo! Sabi na eh.
You don't do that, of course, if you have Mabayad or Yonko at the front line.
Kaya mag-uusap ang namamahala sa halalan sa bayan na ito.
Sa sitwasyon na yan. Diba? Hindi tayo makamove on sa sitwasyon na yan eh. Ha? Kailangan maano niya yan. Ma-overcome niya yan. Kailangan makapasa tayo. Okay? Hindi lang. Wala tayong problema sa atake. Kailangan ang problema natin pasa talaga. Dahan-dahan lang ang pasa. Di ba? Short ang pasa. Huwag lang ganun. Huwag lang overball. Okay?
Laban tayo, laban. Diretso tayo. Sabra! Jets! Go tayo! Matik lang.
And that timeout reminds us the importance of the first ball. Sabi nga ni Coach Alan Yumang, walang problema sa kanilang atake, yung pasa. Kasi paano ka nga naman makaka-atake kung wala kang pasa?
Walang
Yeah.
bola.
That's right. Everything really starts with that good pass.
Kaya naman dinidrill endlessly yan. Oh! Perfect serve down the open alley. Catching the Comelec flat-footed there. Watch this.
Good floater serve by Madulid.
Malibasan ni Danica, tingin niya long eh.
Biglang bumaba.
Kesa bumaba eh. Bumaba rin yung bola. Sabas, Yumang has to hustle. Sabas.
Oh, good pick up.
Oh, De Gia sabi. Gotcha. Downstairs we go.
Oh, that's outside.
Long.
Yeah, good
Sayang.
read. Good read.
Sayang, ganda ng direksyon. You know? Lakas ng hataw. 2-point lead by the Comelec. Ito na naman ang Comelec sa dulo. Ito si Madulid. Ang lalim ng kanyang hinga. Just to relax her. That cut shot. Tracked down by Madulid. Dumped by Mabayad. De Gia makes it a set. Alangan eh. Hindi na walang paraan ng tao. Bound. Tanog bound. Drop. Hello, may tao. Palo.
Oh, but the last touch at the net actually.
Oo, no? Kaya
by
umalag yun.
Sabas.
Akala ko net ang AFP, ha? Pero eto na. Tingnan natin. Siya na ang gumalaw, ano, ha? Pagbaba niya, nakalimot niya yung 18-17. Kasi Madulid.
Good serve.
Oo nga, down the line, ha? Short. Eto. Dito, napo-frustrate ang Comelec, eh. Lalamang sila. Tapos kung kailan yung dulo, yung 20, dun sila kumukulapse and they're looking at each other now.
It's a 6-point run actually
Oh, ganun
to
ba?
sa AFP.
And Noval will return, pull out De Los Santos.
So Noval's insertion in the second set actually made a whole lot of difference
Yes,
for Comelec.
so well said. Nag-iba yung laro nila actually. 18 all. Yumang prepares. Block, deflection. That helps the offense. Hello. Alam mo yung dumaplis lang sa block, lilipad yung bola eh. Magiging mas madali yung
Correct.
reception eh.
Kaya sinasabi lagi sa mga blockers na huwag niyong bibitawan. Kahit mukhang alanganin. Kasi, you know,
Pumitik-
slow down the ball a little bit. It will help.
Tataas yan, mas madali makukuha ng libero. Pati setter makukuha na yan eh. Hindi naman siya counted as one touch eh.
Yeah. Another good serve.
Oo nga.
But a good pickup also from Hendrauli.
Ay, dalawa na ang lamang ng AFP.
Duval actually looking for hands. He was trying to target the hands of Mabayad.
You know, this might take. In a league that does not have a challenge, don't look for hands. Don't look for hands. Huwag mo lang hanapin. Itusok mo na sa sahig. Kasi off hands, that's so close to call eh. Hirap din ang referee dyan eh. Oh boy. 3 straight points na yan, ano? Time out ang Comelec.
Tara, receive na tayo. Wala. 3-man receive. Kaya nga tayo may 3-man receive, di ba? Takay na pati si Danica hanggang dito, aabot, di ba? Basta naman, tulungan tayo, magtulungan tayo, di ba? Di tayo mananalo kung isa lang, dalawa lang magtatrabaho dyan, di ba? Mama Jane, yung depensa mo masyadong forward. Tignan mo dito ka binabog sa akin, dito ko palagi sa likod. Ha? Go!
Receive tayo. Isang magandang receive tayo. Haki. Sobra! Yes!
It's still all about the receiver on the side of Comelec.
Yeah, I
So the
agree.
last 2 timeouts, yun ang naging highlight ng kanilang usapan, no? The reception. So Danica needs more help at the back row kasi ang laki ng coverage ni Danica with the receiving. Madulid getting ready to serve.
Alam mo, good things happen pag si Madulid nagsiserve, ha? Kumakalma yung AFP, actually.
Oh, service ace.
4 straight. Ilan ang total straight points?
So we started off kanina 6, 10.
10. Kasi 18 all, mabot, di ba?
Yes.
Plus 4 ngayon, 6-0 kanina nang tumabla. Biglang madali ang math, ano, pagka pumapasok eh. 20-18. Galing ko sa math pag madali eh.
Oh, still alive. Good save from AFP.
Oh, this is the story of this game.
What a save from AFP. Comelec off guard. That was De Gia. Was able to give.
Parang Halloween na. Patay na, buhay pa eh.
What a stretch here by AFP.
Boy, and you can imagine the disappointment of Comelec here. Oh, good stretch, De Gia. Mabayan, let's go home, she seems to be saying. Big shot.
Bayad once again gets the set. Hendrauli saves it. Nice save. Yeah, nice save.
Ito na naman, chance. Yan si Nubal, itatapik niya yan eh. Naka-score siya sa ganyan kanina. Eto si Yumang. Palo! Yun yung sinasabi mo, no? Tumaas lang.
Bayad gets an opportunity. Oh, good save by Hendrauli.
Buhay pa tayo. Hello. Oh, Lores brings them to match point.
Comelec na pako ng tuluyan sa 18.
And now, serving for the bronze medal.
Madulid has been there forever.
Naku, dikit sa net. Gumaganda laro ni De Gia. Short. 1 match point save. There's another chance for the AFP to seal it up.
Pass is good. Mabayad, and he gets the point.
And that will do it. And the bronze medal will go to our former champion, our two-time champion. They will pick up the bronze medal. So unfortunate for the Comelec. They had so many chances, Ivy.
That's right. They actually had control of the pacing was there. The momentum was actually theirs for the third set. But that 12-point run by AFP really made a difference.
Sino ang best player natin?
And the best player, of course, she carried out very consistently all throughout the match. Of course, none other than Yari Yonko helping.